good.
Almond matcha.
Good morning. We're in Tokyo.
Tokyo!
Greg's birthday.
It's my birthday. Well, not my birthday today, but it's gonna be my birthday.
It will be.
We went to 7-Eleven yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Because people are like, you have to go to 7-Eleven in Tokyo. And I've been to 7-Elevens before in Australia. You've been to 7-Elevens before in America. 7-Elevens here slap.
Friends said that we need to try a peanut butter sandwich from there, so that is the goal for today, or this trip.
Peanut butter sandwich?
Yes.
Okay. We can do that.
I need to try this peanut butter sandwich. Little did we know that the peanut butter sandwich would be difficult to find. So we're gonna get some coffee.
Yes.
And then go to Shibuya Sky.
Shibuya Sky.
You can't take your bag, so make sure your cameras have straps so that you can take it home. Everyone's very polite here. We needed to line up so we can get the photo spot. It's funny, I just said to Craig that we saw signs being like the rooftop may be closed because of strikers. It's not that hot, but it's really hot up here. I'm sweating. And I left my sunglasses in the locker, which was stupid. So bring your sunglasses, it is bright. Yeah. But I found this one spot where the air is blowing, so I'm just trying to cool off a little bit.
It's a little bit warm outside.
Are you gonna have bad luck now?
No? Because it's a UV umbrella, it's not a rain umbrella.
Okay, I didn't know there was exception.
There's a difference.
I saw on a TikTok somewhere that the McDonald's was a good place to view Shibuya Crossing and take photos. Lots and lots of photos. So we ordered some drinks and then moved on. And at some point we stumbled across a Pokemon store. Craig is obsessed with Pokemon, so naturally we had to go into the store. Seeing Craig this happy to just be in the store made me so excited for his reaction when he finds out what we're doing for his birthday. So Craig wants to propose to me one day with this.
Alex Souls, you proposed to me with this?
Yeah.
So yes.
It's the verdict. We found this cute orange juice machine on the street. It was so good, but our search for peanut butter sandwich was so far unsuccessful.
Thank you.
Yes. As one of Craig's birthday presents, I took him to Flavor Design, where you can create your own fragrance, from the scent, to the color, to the name. If you're looking for a unique souvenir from Tokyo, I would recommend this. This is Cafe Ryushu where they make 3D lattes. I asked for a Pomeranian. What do you think? The audio was really bad here, but I'm saying that they can make the coffee with plant milks, but the foam has dairy, so keep that in mind if you're dairy free.
I'll film this.
Just realised we are in the perfect area for thrift shopping, Craig.
For
Thrift shopping.
thrift shopping?
Yeah, we're right next to one.
Oh. 50% off.
50% off. We'll take a quick look.
Okay.
Wonderful photos.
Yeah, no, they're pretty good.
I asked so many friends for recommendations and every single person told me to visit Tea's Tantan and try the peanut butter noodles and gyozas. I'm getting hungry just thinking about them. And talking about peanut butter, we still have not found the peanut butter sandwich. So our hunt continues.
Well, my darling, I brought you to a temple.
Thank
I'll
you.
accept my praise, my worship, and your undivided attention. And love.
Very excited. This temple was built to enshrine the lucky cat. People visit for good luck, prosperity, and happiness. Also, the grounds itself is so peaceful and so beautiful. We're gonna get matcha. Craig doesn't like matcha, so we have to find an alternative for him. We got almond matcha, it's so good.
Almond matcha?
Yeah.
I got a normal coffee from elsewhere because I think matcha tastes like grass.
Do you want to try some? I still don't think you'll like it.
Yeah.
Give it a go. No. That face says it all. But more matcha for me, I guess.
That is so nice. Wow. Like, it might be the best thing I've ever tasted.
It tastes so different to any like matcha I've had in Shanghai though. And of course Japan's so unique place.
The home of matcha.
It was on my food bucket list to try this Daifu and it did not disappoint. But just keep in mind that you're not supposed to eat on the street and there was no seating around the store, so it's best to pick it up on the way back to your hotel. So we're just coming home from the cat temple and I wanted a smoothie from 7-Eleven, so we stopped in and Craig, the wonderful man he is, finally found the peanut butter sandwich.
I will provide, I will supply, and I will grab.
Thank
Because
you.
that's what I do.
We've been to numerous, many 7-Elevens and convenience stores to find these. Here too, do you want to try one with me? Oh, I already started ripping it, but it has like a little peanut symbol on it. 3, 2, 1.
You know what this tastes like?
1.
Peanut butter sandwich.
Mmm.
Mm.
You see them when you're on the run. Peanut butter sandwich. It's this guy's birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Coming on this trip, Craig had one requirement, and that was to go to the Pokemon Cafe. So today, we're going to the Pokemon Cafe.
We are going to Pokemon Cafe and I'm very excited.
It was a whole debacle getting a reservation at this cafe, so...
Yeah, it's a very sought after place. You have to like book 30 days in advance or a full month. But the tickets like sell out within 2 minutes of them going online. So I don't know how you manage it.
Oh, did it just for your birthday. Craig is very much in his happy place.
That's freaking awesome.
Is everything you ever dreamed of and more?
Sorry?
Is it everything you dreamed of and more?
It's so good. It's so good.
Okay. It's our last night in Tokyo and we're about to go get some more teppanyaki because Craig wants teppanyaki for one last time. And then we're meeting up with a couple of friends who live here to say hello. Now we're just gonna go to a bar in Ginza area and see them there. I'm debating whether to bring my camera or not. And if I don't end up bringing my camera, which I may or I may not, just want to say thank you so much for watching and coming along with us to Tokyo. I hope it's been somewhat helpful or just entertaining for you. So I'll see you next time.